Hello, students. Good morning to you all. Welcome back to GK class. Today, we will study in our GK subject, Unit 1 Nature, Chapter 6, that is Pets at Home. Okay, students, are you ready for this? Let's start. Tell me one thing firstly. Do you have a pet at your home? Yes, I know your answer will be yes. Some of you have pets at home. So you love your pets? Okay. Everybody love their pets. Students, what is the difference between pets and other animals? I'll tell you. You can understand this better by this example that you can watch TV with a dog in your home, but you cannot do that with a fox. So there is a difference between pets animal and other animal, wild or domestic animal or other animal. Pet animals. Dear students, pets the animal we see around us or take. We can keep some of these animals at home. These are called pets animal. For example, cats, dog, parrot, etc. So you can define pet animal in this definition like that. A pet is a domestic animal that can easily live with us in our home. Dear students, we should remember some points before having a pet. First of all, we must take care of our pets because they are a part of our family. We must keep them very clean as you are taking bath every day, so you should clean your pets also. And children loves the pets, so you love your pet. Okay? Dear students, we have so many pets surrounding us, but out of these, some are very common pets like dogs, cats, rabbit. You are very familiar to them. Today, I'll tell you some commons like dog, cats, pets, and some uncommon which you don't know. So, let's start from the first one, that is number one is dog. Yes, students, you all are familiar with dog because it's a man's best friend. Yes, a dog is considered as the man's best friend. Dogs are known to be faithful and loyal companions. They are protective of their masters. Yes, that's why most of the people like dog very much. Number 2, cat. The cat hunts small animals like rat, mice, etc. Cats can be loving, caring, curious, playful, adventurous, smart, and intelligent and active also. A cat is a very active animal. Next is guinea pig. This rodent is also called kiwi. White guinea pig comes in a truly attractive package. Number 4 is parrot. You all love parrot? Yes. This bird is found in a variety of different colors. Parrots have curved beaks and strong legs. Most parrots live in a tropical areas. Parrots are to be one of the most intelligent bird. Next is hamster. This is also a rodent. It is one of the most common animal kept as pet. Hamsters are a lot of fun. They have become established as a popular small house pets. Dear students, do you have aquarium at your home? If your answer is yes, so do you see fishes inside it? It's in water. Yes, our next favorite pet is fish. Fish, this is also found in a variety of color, but it lives in water their entire lives. Gills of fish allow for respiration as the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay students, our last pet is rabbit. This animal loves to eat carrot. Rabbit is a tame and tender animal and swift in move. Rabbits live in groups. Rabbits have long ears which can be as long as 10 centimeter. So, dear students, hope you understand about these pets in a very good way. Now, this is the activity time. Let's recall all the pets through the activity. Now students, I'll give you a small activity of pet animal in a crossword form. So you have to do in your rough notebook only. Okay? First one is, it's man's best friend. Any guesses? Yes, it's dog. Second is, it likes to eat rat and also very active animal. Yes, it's a cat. Next is, it has a very long ears. It's a rabbit. And last one is, it lives in water. Answer is fish. Okay dear students, you have to do this activity in your rough notebook only, and I'll send you this activity separately also. Thank you.